pollution in Delhi, it's bad. So now it's 323. In November it was 1,000 or
235. And everything above 50 is already bad. I mean, you
everything
can see
above
good,
50 is bad.
satisfactory, moderate,
So it's now
severe,
very poor.
and after severe, there is hazardous, and it was all November, it was hazardous.
To the beach, wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Give her everything, just shot of the world. Gonna get a grip every time.
Good morning from Delhi, India. I arrived here less than 72 hours ago. Since arriving in Delhi, I feel like I'm getting sick. And the reason is the air pollution. Delhi is the most polluted city in the world. Since like the second day here, I got feeling in my nose and like a sore throat. This time of the year, it's February now, this time of the year is just after the most polluted time of the year. Now it's 300, in November it was 1,000. 300 is very poor. 1,000 would not even have been on the scale. 1,000 would be hazardous. What arrived this morning is an air purifier to have better air quality at home. The air purifier, it's the Mi Air Purifier 2C. So that's Xiaomi, a Chinese product. This one is about 70 euros. It's a good one because you can change the filter on this air purifier, so it's a good long-term investment. And this video is the unboxing of the Mi Air Purifier 2C. If you suffer from the polluted air, same as I do, then this might be an investment for you. Let's see what's in the box. I have no idea about air purifiers because in Austria we really don't need them. Protective material inside. So yeah, in Austria it's like under 50, and Gabi said that in St. Georgen, for example, in the village, it's 20. Here it's at the moment 300, and in November it was 1,000. Let's. Okay, so in Linz it's 57. Linz is an industrial city. Probably Linz is the most polluted one in Austria, yeah, for sure. So yeah, that's just one piece. It's not as heavy. There is a ventilator. 34 in Vienna. So Vienna is much bigger, but Vienna has less industry. And then yeah, here in Delhi at the moment it's 300. In summer it's getting better. So now is the time when it gets better. But it was really bad in November. It was 1,000. Hazardous. It's not even on the... So that's really just one piece. Do we have to do anything with that to activate it? I really have no idea how an air purifier actually works. Okay, so there would be cheaper options. This one is about 70 euros, 70, 80 euros. There would be cheaper options, but this one has a replaceable filter and it can be found on the market. It's the Xiaomi brand. Yeah, that's it. It's already unboxed. You can see there is a ventilator here. A button, you probably have to plug it, and then here it says auto 1, 2, 3. So seems like you can adjust the level of purification. Otherwise there is nothing. There are buttons here on the side, but I don't know what these buttons are good for. Maybe you can open it. If you press the button, you can open it. There's the ventilator. So that's the filter that's inside. That's a very simple construction. There's the filter inside the bottom part of the machine. That's all there is to the air purifier, the unboxing of the air purifier. Mi Air Purifier 2C, real-time air pollution indicator. So the thing probably also detects the level of pollution, does it?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
And that's why you can set it on auto, because it detects the pollution level, probably, because here it says auto 1, 2, 3. So you can set it on auto and then it probably detects the pollution level and adjusts accordingly. Because it's such a simple thing, let's just put it to the room. Okay, machine and cable. It's plugged, turned on, auto detecting. Ventilation is on. Doesn't make any sound. That's good. There's a green light here on the side. What if we change this? Oh, now there is sound. Wow. Now it's like super strong ventilation. Now it's just became very, very loud. So maybe the one where it doesn't make any sound is level 1.
Probably okay for the night, no?
Yeah, and if it's on auto and it only sets it to level 1, does that mean that the air is not actually polluted in here? No, I don't think so either. Yeah, so that's all there is to the air purifier. You open the box, it's all already set up, you plug it, you press the button, you have 3 levels, and it's working.
They say that you don't wanna leave me. Yeah, I need your vibration. It's all that I want. Yeah, it's all that I need.